Hello and welcome back for another video tour. So today I have a brand new Elddis exclusive edition, which is exclusive to Thompson Leisure. I have an Elddis exclusive 150. Come on, let's take a look. You'll see here our lovely new graphics for the year. As I mentioned, it is a Thompson Leisure Elddis exclusive. You will only get this vehicle here with us. We designed it all the way out, all the way in. Let's hop right inside. So this is your main living and cab area. If you just want to head on up, both of them chairs are swivel chairs. I'll show you that in a wee second. This one is a manual. You'll see you have your full sat-nav multimedia system there. You have your aircon, your different USB plug-in points, and of course multifunction and steering wheel with cruise control and all that great stuff. So as I mentioned, we do design the whole outside, so what the colour, what the pattern, everything on the outside of the body, and then again the upholstery and the wood finish, even down to the lovely little pillows. They are reversible. You'll see over there on that chair, as I mentioned, you'll see exclusive edition throughout the vehicle because it's exclusive. And it comes with over £7,000 worth of extras to it. So just before we leave the living area, this is also your first and second berth. This converts into a lovely double. You do have a TV bracket there and then lovely little reading lamps just here as well. Now moving down into your lovely open kitchen area here, you do have your 3-gas hob with your hot plate and then a separate grill and oven just below. So lovely and shiny, I don't want to touch it. Lovely microwave built in here as well, and then of course your sink just here as well. It's nice and roomy, nice and spacious here. Then over to your Dometic fridge. This is an automatic 3-way fridge just here, and you have a little freezer box up above as well. And of course behind me you can see the lovely large island bed here as well. Now, them pillows are just propped out of the way just so that I can show you this. It does lift up, so you do have storage under there, and it also slides further out for whenever you're ready to go to sleep. So you have your lovely space during the day, and then at night time it folds out, then pillows just pop down the back, and then it slides straight back in again. Lots of storage, lots of light in and around this. There is also a TV point in the back, just down below here. There we have it. So you can put another TV in this area as well. And lastly, your bathroom in there as well. So as I mentioned, there is a ton of accessories added onto this, and I haven't even showed you anything. I'm just going to cheat and read a few of them. So of course you do have your microwave, reverse camera, you have an awning outside, solar panel outside, bike rack on the back, barbecue point outside, you have a winter pack. The list goes on and on and on. Please, if you want to see more about this vehicle, please let me know. I have no problem going into more depth. I can make up that bed in the front. Anything at all, and I will leave a link below so that you can check out all of the accessories on this vehicle. If there's anything else you'd like to see, please let me know. Again, no problem showing anything. You can contact me directly, marketing@thompsonleisure.com. You can give me a call 028 9269 3999 or drop a message below. I will pick up every comment, every message, every email. You can pop in and see me and I can show you this myself, and I'll see you in the next video.